The next exercise in MX Excel we are going to see is measures of variance or measures of variability. Here, the length of a particular plant variety is given in inches from column A, third row to column A, ninth row. We have to calculate the measures of variance with the given data. We can calculate the measures with the help of range, standard deviation, and variance in the given text. Actually, the variance R refers to the data in which the range of the data and the variance of the data. For the variance, there is no straight formula to calculate the range in MS Excel. We can make use of the values by calculating the maximum and minimum. By subtracting the minimum from the maximum value, we can see the data range in MS Excel. Then, to calculate variance and standard deviation, formulas are available. For calculating variance, there are two methods. One by straight calculating the variance with the formula, and the another method is after calculating the standard deviation, then we can input the standard deviation by exponential function. Variance can be calculated. Variance are also defined in terms of statistical terms, how close the scores in the distribution are to the middle of the distribution. Using the mean as the measure of the middle of the distribution, the variance is defined as the average squared difference of the scores from the mean. So let's see how to calculate standard deviation and variance of the given data. So first we have to calculate the data range. So for the data range, the formula is type equal to type maximum max max, open the round bracket, then give your input. The input is from A3 to A9 in this case, close the round bracket, then type minus, then type min, minimum of, open the round bracket, then A3 to A9, the data range, close the bracket, press enter. So here you can get the output as equal to maximum of A3 east A9 minus minimum of A3 east A9, press enter. Then the data range will be 10.7 points. Then to calculate standard deviation, you can calculate the standard deviation for the sample and for the population. For the standard deviation for the sample is, the formula goes like this. Here the syntax is given STDEV. STDEV is the built-in function available with MS Excel for calculating the standard deviation. So please type STDEV dot S. Dot S denotes sample, then give the data range from A3 to A8. The data is given, then close the round bracket, press enter. The output for the standard deviation for the sample will be given. Then for population, again the formula will be type equal to type stdev dot p, then give the cell range. In this case it is equal to stdev dot p. P stands for population, then give the data range from A3 to A8, then press enter. This data is not needed. Then we have to calculate the variance. Variance can be calculated by standard deviation and by the formula. First, let us go with the standard deviation. The sample variance for the given data. Here um, you can make use of this exponential symbol which is available in the keyboard. You have to press shift key and then press letters number 6. There you can see an exponential symbol. Then type that, then type 2. After that you will be getting the sample variance. Then for the sample, for the population variance, the same formula, the population standard deviation which is available in cell D6, then type exponential type 2, press enter, you will be getting the population variance. The another method is you can type the formula as type equal to, then type VAR. The moment you start typing, you will be getting few suggestions. So here we have to find out the variation for the sample. So click variation VAR.S, then give the input range, close the bracket, press enter. You will be getting 10.36. The same, the value by making use of standard deviation and by making use of the formula, both the values are same. So in this case it is 10.362 and here also it is 10.362. Similarly for the variance using the formula for population data, type equal to, type VAR. Now you have to select this VAR.P because we are going to calculate for population. So type equal to VAR.P, open the bracket, give the data range, close the bracket, press enter. You will be getting the output as 8.635, which is calculated with the help of formula, and here we have calculated with the help of standard deviation. So both the answers 8.36 here and here 8.36, both are same. So this is how you can calculate measures of variability through range, standard deviation and variance. Thank you.